Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Orient Road, popular ozone area, to show you this beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. As you can see, it's got a driveway to the side, providing off-road parking, and is extended to allow extra space in the kitchen. As we head inside, we go into a porch, which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. Straight on at the end of the hall, we have a large modern fitted kitchen. Then we have a huge bay fronted lounge diner, which at the end opens on up into a conservatory. Which leads to a beautifully maintained garden at the rear, overlooking Salle Playing Fields. This garden is one of the largest on this road and benefits from paving for a nice alfresco seating area. We've got later long grass and mature plants as well. It really is a generous size. Properties in this location are popular because they're walking distance from Salford Hospital, along with being within catchment of Ellesmere Park High School, making it a great location for both healthcare professionals and families. The property also benefits from being within easy access of transport links through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre as well. As we head back to the front of the property, into the hall, upstairs from the landing, we'll have 3 well-proportioned bedrooms, starting with the smallest of the 3, which is currently used as a dressing area. Have the second bedroom just through here, which benefits from the bay window. As you can see, it's nicely decorated throughout the property. And the main bedroom benefits from those views of the fields at the back. And then we have this lovely 4-piece family bathroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.